Hello, fellow traders. So, as for my last video, that was quite a movement. We have reached the point of taking this high out. Uh, if we're closing today above 31, no, 47.50, then we might expect a move on the 11th, but I highly doubt that since we have the stochastics are moving down. Nonetheless, we made a new high on the monthly, so that means that we're moving until August. So what I'm expecting, 2 weeks of sales, 17 picking up on the 20th, um, 20, yep, picking up direction change on Friday. So it's a good short for 2 weeks. There's a nice trade from here. Um, Again, it's not a trading advice, it's merely a hobby. But if you want more detail why I'm thinking this, check out my YouTube channel and Substack. Have a nice one.